Promised. Here's the video of the barbecue. Nice. It's got that nice new burned car smell. Oh, and look at those steel belted tires. Yes, sir. And hey, it's got this stylish lowrider look now. Yep. Comfortable seating. Boy, it smells just like a... Oops. Fresh glass. Yeah, this is what my car did. Our car, when it burned, got so hot, parts of it fused into the asphalt, and it'll instantly start corroding, as you can see. Extremely high temperatures. This is clever how the fire department does that. Once they start burning, you just can't put them out. I tried to put one out once. Oh, there's the power line that caused the fire. Came from right up there. Ooh, nice shiny new set. I'll keep moving. Yeah, it's interesting they left the wire there. Anyway, sorry about that. Merry Christmas. It's been kind of an exciting week around our parts. Hey, there's a horn there. I wonder if I can salvage that. Insurance company probably wouldn't like that.